The majority of the insurance industry is under the assumption that the only way to manage your experience modification factor is to avoid having claims. While no claims and a clean loss history will produce the best possible experience mod, there is still hope if a claim occurs. There are certain aspects of the claim data that can be managed to limit the impact the claim has on the experience mod. There are rating organizations that collect and manage the workers' comp data, ultimately producing the experience mod. The necessary data is due to the rating organizations 6 months prior to policy renewal. This deadline is known as the unit statistical filing date, or unit stat date. The insurance carriers are the ones required to submit all data prior to the unit stat date. However, you and your broker have the opportunity to review the data for accuracy and dispute any errors. If you do not review or dispute the data, the assumption is the data is correct and is then used to calculate the experience mod. The calculation of the experience mod uses a variety of information, but when it comes to claims, there are 2 key pieces of data involved: paid claims and claims reserves. The paid claim amount is what the carrier has already paid out, and the claim reserve is an estimate the insurance carrier has set aside for any future payments the claim may require. It is difficult to dispute the paid claim amount. These payments have been issued by the carrier and are documented in the claim file. On the other hand, claims reserves have the potential to be more arbitrary, considering they are estimates and the future of a claim is completely unknown. Therefore, the claim reserve is the figure that we can review and dispute with the carrier prior to the unit stat date. By managing the claim leading up to the unit stat date, we can either negotiate a lower claim reserve or confirm the reserve submitted is accurate. If we can lower the claim reserve, it will ultimately lower the total claim amount. This will lower the experience mod and lead to decreased premiums. The unit statistical filing date can have more impact on your workers' compensation program than the actual policy renewal date. Partnering with a broker whose firm has the resources to guide you through the process and develop a strategic annual approach will limit the impact claims have on your experience mod.